In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Eternal Strands on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game, download it without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done this, go to Google, and now we need to first locate this game on Steam before we can go to another website to download it. So search for Steam, go to the Steam website and now search for the game Eternal Strands. So search for that. As you can see, we have the game over here, and now I scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, this game is quite expensive, €39.99, so that's quite a lot. But we have a workaround. Go to the link in the description and click on that. Once you have done that, you will arrive at this page. And now we will search for this game. So we will click on search, select games on the left side, and after that sort the price by the lowest first. And now you can see we can download this game through Steam, because you need to watch if it can be activated in your country, then it's green over here, the text. So we can basically download it for the half of the price of the Steam games. Here it is €19.82 and on Steam it was €39.99. So that is a really good offer. And basically what it does, if you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. You can make the purchase. And once you have done that, you will receive an email confirmation how to activate the game on Steam. So just follow these steps and you will be set up in a couple of minutes. If these tips were helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!